Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how CSVs work and the project I made using CSVs. And I'm sorry for not uploading in a while, but in today's video we're going to get right into the action without delay. So without further ado, let's just start right about now. So as I said, today we're going to be talking about CSVs. So the topic of today's discussion is CSVs. So you all might be wondering, what exactly is a CSV? So CSV stands for comma separated values. And comma separated values is just a name. A name and then a comma separating the name from a different name. So then what is a CSV file? But this time, apart from what it means, we're going to talk about what it does. CSV files are one of the many ways to store data in Python. Or is another, it's just a way to store data in a tabular form that can be recalled in the main script. So that's basically what CSV is. This is an example of a CSV right here. So yeah, so we have this. This is from a project I'm currently working on. So it basically has it has the letters at the side here, and then there's a comma in between, and then we have the actual values, and then there's also stuff at the top. So for this one, it could be letter and then name. But then let's continue reading. So this is what a normal tabular CSV looks like compared to a raw CSV. So this is a finished CSV here on the left side of the screen. And then on the right side, this is just the normal CSV. If you call it in using the code that I'm going to show you in the future now. And then you can notice the commas that are at the side over here. So this is how you identify a CSV file. It has the .csv at the back of the file name. So it's the name, then .csv. And .csv files are very versatile and can use a wide range of tasks. CSV files can only be utilized by a module called pandas. So this is an example of what using pandas would look like. First, you say import pandas, then you use your variable, then equals to panda.readCSV, and then you put your CSV in the brackets. And then if you wanted to show it, then okay, let me just show you the full version. So here you have, in the CSV, we have all this. It can be low caps, it can be uppercase, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna print your data. And then this is what happens in the main script. We have import pandas and all the previous code plus prints your variable. And then at the end of all this is what you will receive at the end. So yeah, that's basically what CSV is. Okay, so now we're back into Python, guys. And as you can see, we have our whole script here. So it's actually quite short until we look at this. This is the CSV file. But then see, we have import total and then import pandas. Import total is just to print the stuff into the file, yeah? So then basically, what we do want to do is to do all of this basic stuff here. We have data equals pandas or read CSV, 50 state CSV. And then we have all states, and then we have guest states. So then, this is in case you haven't noticed already, this is a US states game, is a quiz. I'll run it in a second after I finish explaining. So, if the length of the guest answer is not more than 50, then it's going to keep asking you until you get everything right. And then if you answer to exit, then it's just going to show you all the states that you didn't mention in this states to learn CSV. So you can see it here. And it depends, it changes on what you have failed. So let me just show you. You can see there's no A's. So let's go to run this game. So while we're waiting for it to run, okay, so here we have, let's say Delaware, and then we have Wyoming, and then we have Arkansas, then we have Alaska, and then we have New York, and we have Illinois, and then we have South Carolina, North Carolina, But then the good thing is that we can see, watch this, HAWAII. The dependent on whether it's caps or not is always just going to print it back to you. So then we have Los Angeles. Oh, that's wrong. Oh well. So we just type in exit because that's the all I remember. So then if we go into the states to learn, we can see that the A's, and then if you go to find see, there's no New York here or Wyoming. So then basically that's just how this game works. You use the CSVs to print it here. We use the CSV information here to work out the rest of this. So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.